This is Vintage Arts. Welcome to our channel, Reinventing Vintage. And the supplies we have used are Annie Sloan chalk paint in cream, bluey blue. We've also used acrylic paint, clear wax to seal the furniture, a wax brush, artist brushes, and a microfiber cloth. The first step we are doing is to apply a diluted wash of cream chalk paint over the sanded top of this piece of furniture. You can apply several layers of wash to get the look that you are going for. On the base of the nightstand, we are using Annie Sloan chalk paint in cream. We have not prepped this piece other than to make sure it is a clean surface. Next, we applied bluey blue on the top half of the nightstand. After we have about 2 coats of both colors on the nightstand, we are going to blend the center where the 2 colors meet. After we finish blending, Julia is adding some clouds to the top of the dresser. Julia is hand painting the beach scene onto the nightstand with acrylic paints. After the paint has finished drying, we will apply clear wax all over the furniture, including the top. After applying wax with your wax brush, you will remove the excess wax by wiping with a microfiber cloth. We've decided to update the hardware to complement our new look. Here is our finished piece. If you are interested in purchasing it, you can find more information on our website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.